make my home sparkle and smell amazing without harsh chemicals. Get ready to discover the magic of creating your own multi-purpose cleaning spray that's simple, effective, and eco-friendly. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. Today we're making the Clean and Fresh multi-purpose cleaning spray. This DIY spray is perfect for tackling messes around your home, leaving surfaces sparkling clean and smelling oh so fresh. Plus, it's super easy to make, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly. Before we jump into this recipe, here's a secret. At Simply Earth, we make natural DIY easy and fun. That's why we created the Simply Earth recipe box, so you can get your key ingredients delivered to your door. And when you subscribe, we'll even get you a free big bonus box with extra goodies. Feeling inspired? Grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Store-bought multi-purpose cleaner sprays are often loaded with harsh chemicals that can be irritating to breathe in and even dangerous for your kids and your pets. Who wants that in their home? With our all-natural recipe, you're in control. Say goodbye to mystery ingredients and hello to a cleaner that's safe, effective, and toxin-free. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this clean and fresh multi-purpose cleaning spray together. From your recipe box, you're going to want to grab your multi-purpose cleaning tablet and 50 drops of your clean and fresh essential oil blend. This essential oil blend helps clean and uplift. From your home, you'll grab a 16-ounce spray bottle, 1/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. This will help dissolve the oil and sanitize, and 16 ounces of distilled water. Let's get started making it. You'll add your essential oils and your isopropyl alcohol to the spray bottle. Next, you'll drop the multi-purpose cleaning tablet into the spray bottle. A tip for this, if the multi-purpose cleaning tablet doesn't fit into your spray bottle, you can cut it in half with a knife. Fill the rest of the spray bottle with distilled water and allow the cleaning tablet to dissolve fully. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. A tip, some separation between the essential oil and water may occur. If this happens, shake before spraying. In the future, we'll be updating the packaging for this cleaning tablet to Ruthie Lou's, a Simply Earth cleaning brand. To keep things organized and ensure safety, always label your creation clearly. This citrusy burst of freshness made cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a mini spa session in my home. Wow, the citrusy burst of freshness smells so amazing. Don't forget to label it. You can make this too. When you make this recipe, snap a picture and show it off with the hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a free $5 gift card and get featured on our social pages. Let's see your masterpieces. Love natural DIY products? Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box for effortless fun creations. If you enjoyed this video, stick around and more awesome DIY recipes are coming up on your screen. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching.